niyabahlanyisa asiyabagcwalisa bangalali bangasali asiphinde sibabuthele asiphinde sibabuthele solinje 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 solinje
consider early kwakwasa ukuthi sishintshe indlela yethu yokudlala, so ngicabanga ukuthi kusitestable lo consider early nje umdlalo. So but ke lengubonile ngicabanga ukuthi badlali bembabulawa stage ngicabanga ukuthi le stage besisikhulu kunabo kulabanye ezibebacala ukudlala in front of ama supporters la cishe langaka. So ngicabanga ukuthi bathu aba right tawo. No, ngicabanga ukuthi the way labayicethe ngayo le match yethu le, ngicabanga ukuthi nasingathatha from there kuma league games yethu, ngicabanga ukuthi kungaba kahle. Otherwise baqale kabi second half bese ba recover babuye badlala le game lezivame kuyidlala, and vele bese out we are four goals behind, so it was difficult for them. So, yeah.
Ngasho njalo sidlalile ukudlala, even though siconsidered 4 goals early, lo bese siyaslimata, but ke njengoba shade coach kuthi ngicabanga ukuthi kule stage since we've got players la basaqala ukudlala ku stage lesika, so but ke there's room for improvement, I can say. They are being ready for them, despite kuthi team vele lengikhule kiyo noma lengangadlalela, I was ready for them.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi kokuqala nje ngingabonga opponents ethu asinikile umdlalo bese ngibonga kubadlali bami. Siya improve. I think now we are 50-60 where I want my players to be. And kusitile ukuthi sithole an early goal. That was our plan because we're hoping then ukuthi they will try to attack since ba consider and try to get an equalize and leave themselves open at the back. But baqhubekile bahlala, but ke ngiyabonga lokho ukuthi despite that ukuthi bebasolo bahleli emuva were able to score 4 goals in the first half. And I told my technical bench that it will be very difficult ku second half because psychologically badlali bam the vele bese batshela ukuthi the game is in the back. That's why, and we started giving Mbabane City space ukuthi badlale bakhona ukuthi baphasa ibhola kabili kathathu. Lokunye ukuthi bede with the second half inange yabo, I wouldn't say robust, but nje it was dangerous. Pressing, I don't have a problem of pressing, but try not to injure another player because we'll need that player next time now, and he's your colleague. So ngiloko lengubonile, but nje sisita improve going forward. The confidence slowly and surely coming back to the lads. And I've given some other people a chance to a run and bayakhombisa ukuthi bayafuna ukuthi badlale because it's not like schemeless ballet action. If you work very hard, I will repay you, but if you don't, it's either usebenjini noma uhleli kuma stands. So kude ke umuntu lo ufuna ukuhlala kuma stands. So lokho ke kuyasisita as a technical bench ukuthi le competition si create ejimini. No, ngingathanzi kubuka emuva ukuthi bekwentekalani, but ngithi mina nginika lo mdlalo lona lekangikhombisa kona ejimini. Because vele kuye kwendeke kanjalo ukuthi if kufika coach lo musha, everybody uyazama lokuthi impress so that atokhona ukuthi nakambona coach uyananga ukuthi amnike leyo chance ukuthi adlale. Kanzi nangabe bosoluhlala ungadlali, maybe it's difficult ukuthi vele bakubuke besale babuka laba lese babajwayele la of which tsineke sivele sakusho ukuthi ngeke sisebenze kanjalo. Sawusebenza ngokuthi umdlali usinika ini simrepair thina kuphela.
Ngicela ngibonge abadlali bami nemafans ladile eground intos bukela. Kushoda kancane sitawufika. Asisho lokuswina le game yanamuhla ukuthi sesikhashane sengakafiki la sifuna kufika khona. And kuwina namuhla City i-team vele bezulitisa. So ngaqala nje mina kufika ka-1 esolo strowa nayo, but namuhla sikhonile kuyidla. So kusho kona ukuthi improvement ikhona, and ngicela sitawubuyela ejimini silungise amaphutha njengasecond half ashilo coach asikadlali kahle, sibe ne-lack of concentration, but sitawubuyela ejimini silungise.
Bakulisa iyabahlanyisa asiyabaqwalisa bangalali bangasali asiphinde sibabuthele Show me your